Want to start using civil site design but not sure how to activate your license? Welcome to this present trade tutorial where we'll walk you through how to download and activate your civil site design license step by step. And of course, you can visit our website to request your download link and follow along with us. Now let's start. After you receive your download link from Present Trade and finish downloading civil site design, the next step is installing it. Before you start, make sure you're connected to the internet and your CAD software is completely closed, whether you're using Civil 3D or BricsCad. Now, double-click the setup file to start the installation, and it's recommended to run it as administrator. The setup window will appear. Click Next until you reach the region window, then choose the region that matches your system. Since we're in the Middle East and North Africa, it's best to select International Metric. Next, you'll reach the Configuration Installation window. Here you can choose your AutoCAD version and what you want to install. In our case, we already have AutoCAD 2026, so we'll select that option and continue. Now just wait while Civil Site Design completes the installation process. In the final window, you'll see optional checkboxes to continue the installation guide or open the Civil Site Design YouTube channel. Enable them if you want, then click Finish. Once Civil Site Design is installed, open your CAD. In this video, we're using Civil 3D. You'll notice several new tabs added to your interface, such as Roads, Pipes, and Data Manage. To activate your license, go to any of these tabs, for example, Roads, and click on any button inside it. This will open the CSD License Manager window. Click OK to start the activation process. If you don't have a license yet, click Evaluation to request a new license or trial. But if you already have your key, click Activate. You can either paste your key manually or click Browse if it's saved on your PC. Once you enter your key, you'll notice the field turns green, which means it's a valid key. At the bottom, you'll see all license details, including your Civil Site Design version, model type, expiry date, and how many activations remain, in case you're using a network license. Now click Activate to activate this license on this specific PC. Once activation is complete, Civil Site Design will pop up a confirmation message letting you know the license is now active. To view all products, click Products, where you'll see the server status marked in green, meaning it's active. If you ever need to move your license to another computer, you can deactivate it here. Just keep in mind that in case of single license, it can only be moved every 90 days. And that's it. Your Civil Site Design is now ready to go. Contact Present Trade today if you need help activating your trial or full license.